Namaste, Miracle of Sri Paramjyoti Kalki. I am Aishwarya from Kodungalur, Kerala. Anant Koti Pada pranams Sri Paramjyoti Kalki. I gratefully wish to share a miraculous experience gifted to my son by Sri Paramjyoti Kalki. My son Akshay is 8 years old. From the age of 2, he has been suffering from asthma, and during winters he suffers much. I came to Bhagavatdharm in November 2022, and we got the blessing to wear the sacred Varadeeksha Mala. During the Mala Dharana, I prayed for complete recovery of Akshay from this disease. He also prayed deeply. From the 5th day of wearing the Varadeeksha Mala, I noticed that he does not have any wheezing or breathing issues. Even after travelling for Sri Amma Bhagavan's darshan to Ekam temple, he was fine. We consulted his doctor after returning, and the test showed that he has been almost cured of this problem. The doctor was also surprised to see the change in him. Thank you so much, Vaideeswara Sri Paramjyoti Kalki. Anant Koti Pada pranams.